Hi everyone, I thought I would just pop on today to show you a little kind of index card collage that you could use for a pocket in a junk journal or like a journaling card or something like that. So this is the one that I've already made. I just thought I would just do another one with you guys so that we can see. So first things first, grab the glue stick and I tend to just put it all over. There we go. So we're all ready with the glue. And then we've got some old map paper here. So I'm just going to pop that on one side. Like that. Doesn't matter if it's straight, it's just giving us a background really. And then I've got this paper, so what I'm going to do is to just make the edges a little bit more interesting. Let's cut them with fancy scissors, that's the word I'm looking for. And then I'm just going to pop a little bit of glue here to make sure that that edge is stuck down over here. I'm just going to pop that like that. Actually, let's just move that down a tiny bit so it comes down to the bottom. And then we're just going to need something to pop along here. So I've got a bit of music paper. Oops. That's that. So you just cover that up like that. So I've now got the basics of a background, and I'm just going to trim off the edges. That. Oops, I've made a bit of a wonky job of that. There we go. That. Just tidy that up. And I'm just going to straighten this up a tiny bit because I've just got a bit wonky with it. Right, so that is that. There's all the spare bits. Might use some of those in a minute. So now we've got a nice bit of a background there. So that's all good. Pop that down there. And then what we need to do really is decide what else we're going to put onto here. So in this one, I just used some washi tape and some liquid pearls, bit of lace, all sorts of different things on there. So what I'm going to do on this one, I was thinking of maybe putting a bit of a napkin on some of it. I don't really feel like that goes with that very well, so I'm going to leave that for another one. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to use I quite like using the doilies, so we'll put one of those in the corner. Now it does look very white on there at the moment, but do not fear, it's gonna be fine. No jumping up, thank you very much. Sorry, that was Merlin, but he was just about to jump in the glue. wouldn't be the first time he's done that. So let's just trim away this and this. So we've got a bit of that, just like that. So we're just going to stick down this edge that we've missed. Groovy. Okay, so that's all done. Now, before I move on to putting on washi tape and other bits and pieces that I'm going to use to decorate this, what I'm going to do is I'm just going to spray it with some distress ink, and that's going to knock this whole whiteness back, and it will make a big difference. So I'll just show you how it's going to be. There we go. So now we're on a bit of a more of a grungy sort of style. So I'm just going to leave that to dry for a bit, and then I'll come back and do the rest in a minute once we're dry. Okay, so we are all dry now and ready to pop on other bits and bobs that we might want to pop on. So let's just see what we have that we can put on here. Let's just see. I'm going to put on some washi tape. I've just got a bit of this. I'm not going to use too much. And we will just put some glue stick on there. Just wind that back down. Pop that on there. Like that. Okay. So let's just see. I think it's that way up. Righty-ho. Let's just pop this onto the middle, break it up a little bit. It's a little bit wonky. Well, let's just put it on there straight-ish. Okay. Put that there like that. That there like that. That's all good. Now, what else have we got? Have we got any? Don't really want the florally stuff. Let's see what we've got here. Is there anything we could pop on here that will get off there? Yeah, I think the brownie stuff might be quite good. Little bit of washi tape is always fun. Pop that on. Always run a bit of glue over the washi tape, as it really isn't very sticky. Stir it. Stick that up there. That's not going to show up very much, is it? Really? Okay. Might need to highlight that a bit. Oops, put the wrong thing on there. That's that. For a minute. I might just put a little bit of music paper on here. Really like a bit of music paper. Is that? that is that. And what else could I put on here? So kind of, I feel like I need a splash of colour on there to kind of liven it up a bit. But I might leave that, because if I put this into a journal that's got a kind of colour theme, I might not really want to put anything on there that's, at the moment this is quite neutral and anything would go with it. So I think it might be an idea to just leave that as it is. I've got this little bit of paper here. I quite like using the paper edges. I haven't got anything that's running this way vertically. So that's what I'm going to do for now. Let's just see, what did I do with those? I don't know. There they are. So right, just to make this so the edges are a bit more interesting, I'm going to use my fancy scissors. I'm going to get this and get that. Put this on here. Let me just put something on that goes vertically. Tear off the ends, get covered in glue. I wonder if I should put it this side so it actually shows up against that music paper a little bit. Excellent, not bad at all. So now, all I kind of feel like I really need to do is to pop something over on this right side. Let's see. I wonder if one of our ladies might work quite well on here. She might work quite well. Or this one. Yeah, let's have her for now. Let's pop that like that and like that. Righty-ho. So all we need to do now is find the tape to get our sticker off. So I just stick them onto the tape, and then, theoretically speaking, it becomes easier to get the sticker off. There she is. Okay, let's just pop her there. Bit of glue. Bit of glue for her. I'll just pop her on there, like that. And then just to finish off, if we can actually make it work. Not quite sure if I will be able to make it work, because I'm running out of this one. Oh, there he goes. Just pop that up into the corner, because I might just smear that around a little bit. Must buy another one of these, because this is getting quite hard to squeeze out. Just going to rub this around into the corner. do for now. What I'll do is I'll just rub that around into the corner like that. Just give it a little bit of texture. A little bit of goldness. And then all there is left to do is to just do the corners. I have to leave that other one till last because I have to let that dry. Should have done it the other way around. So that's our little thing finished. Might put some other bits and bobs onto it when I put it in with the journal. So it's like this one is planned to go into a floral journal. So I've got some floral stuff on here to kind of tie in with that. So, you know, maybe a bit of, you know, kind of coloured sari silk or coloured lace or something to tie in with whatever journal this goes in, but I may just leave it as kind of neutral for now so that it can go into anything for now. So that's that little one for now. Thank you for watching. If you have enjoyed the video, please give it a like and a thumbs up and a follow and all of that stuff, and I will catch up with you all very soon. Bye for now.